Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something fascinating and highly relevant in the world of artificial intelligence, Claude AI. What is it? Why is it important? And how does it compare to other AI systems like ChatGPT? Let's break it down, clearly and simply. Claude AI is an artificial intelligence assistant created by Anthropic, a San Francisco-based AI research company. Named after Claude Shannon, the father of information theory, Claude is designed to be helpful, honest, and harmless. It's a conversational AI just like ChatGPT and can be used for writing, coding analysis, tutoring, and even creative work like storytelling or summarizing complex documents. Claude was developed by Anthropic, a company founded in 2021 by former OpenAI employees, including Dario Amodei, who was once VP of Research at OpenAI. Anthropic focuses on building AI that is steerable, safe, and aligned with human intentions, with strong emphasis on ethics and safety in AI systems. As of 2025, Claude has had several versions. Claude 1 was released in March 2023. Claude 2 launched in July 2023. Claude 2.1, released in November 2023, added a 200,000 token context window, meaning it could read and analyze large documents, up to hundreds of pages at once. And now in early 2025, Anthropic has released Claude 3, which comes in 3 versions: Claude Haiku, Claude Sonnet, and Claude Opus. Each version balances speed, cost, and capability, with Opus being the most powerful. Here's what sets Claude 3 apart. 1. Massive context window. It can process extremely large inputs, useful for analyzing books, research papers, or data sets. 1. Improved reasoning and math skills. Claude 3 models perform better on tasks like problem solving, coding, and logical analysis. 3. Image input support. Claude 3 can now handle images too. It's a multimodal AI, similar to GPT-4 with vision. 4. Natural friendly responses. The tone of Claude is deliberately designed to be more conversational and aligned with human expectations. So, how does Claude compare to something like ChatGPT? Both are powerful but built by different companies. ChatGPT by OpenAI, Claude by Anthropic. Claude tends to emphasize ethical alignment and user control. Some developers prefer Claude for its long context window and transparent approach to safety. ChatGPT often leads in creative generation and third-party app integration. Both tools are advancing rapidly, and choosing between them depends on your specific needs. To try Claude, you can visit Claude.ai. It's free to use with an Anthropic account, and there are also pro versions available with access to the Opus model. Claude is also being integrated into other tools and platforms, like Notion, Slack, and Zoom, to power intelligent assistants. Claude AI is a major step forward in human-AI interaction, designed with safety, usefulness, and clarity at its core. Whether you're a student, researcher, developer, or just curious, Claude is a tool worth exploring. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share it with others interested in AI education. And remember, the best way to understand AI is to start using it. See you in the next one.